So, this is my friend Amanda, and she is a carver, carves bears. So today we're going to take a peek and see how to make a bear emerge from a log. So introduce yourself.
I'm Amanda. I'm a wife, mother of 4, and I carve for fun.
So here we are, still in Amanda's house. We haven't made it outside yet, technical difficulties. But I wanted to show you some of the cool things in here. Isn't that cool? And so you and your hubby shot all these, right?
Yes.
All right. So tell me, what's this bear here you said?
This is this year's bear. He squared out at 7 feet. I got him when I was 7 months pregnant with my boy upstairs. This is the one from the year before. He's a 7-foot black bear. This one is James's first black bear. Got him with a bow.
Nice.
This one up here, that's a Montana black bear, and I got that one when I was 6 months pregnant with my oldest.
So tell me how you decide how this bear is going to go down.
Well, look at it and decide, look at it and see if it curves any particular direction, if it curves in or out, and if it curves in, then I normally make that its back because his paws stick out,
Okay.
so I don't want to have to keep its paws real close to its body.
I know.
Otherwise I blow up the motors.
Safety glasses on. How many do you go through when you're carving them?
Chainsaws?
Yeah.
I normally will use 3. Depends on the size of the bear that I'm doing. Like I've done one that was 9 or 10 feet tall, and for that I've got a lot bigger saw to do the plunge cuts and whatnot, because this little bar doesn't go all the way through the log. It does on this one, but it's just so much faster if I've got a big saw. And then this one I use for a lot of the main sculpting on it, and then I've got this guy that's got a little dime tip on it for more of the easier or smaller cuts that I have to do that take more detail.
finishing tools.
Yeah. Then, yeah, when I get down to actual finishing and whatnot, I use a Dremel, and I got a chainsaw bit that goes on angle grinder.
Oh. Sure, I know what an angle grinder is. Yeah, that's a common thing. Did you say angle?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No, I still don't know. Oh, so fall down.
Actually, this is what goes on. This is what I was talking about, and it goes on angle grinder.
Looks like a badass piece on a BMX bike or something, like that gear thing.
Yeah.
Be a plug for Style. Hey Style, do you want to have your chainsaw advertised? She's used 2 of them so far. Bing, plug. Is that your favorite chainsaw?
Yes, it is. I've also got I used a Husqvarna for a long time, and then it fell in the river this summer. And
Oh, that's right, you said that.
no more. So I went and bought a steel.
There you go. Oh, steel, am I saying it wrong? Steel. Bing, steel.
And I've got a,
Get them to sponsor you in your chainsawing,
I wish.
right?
And I've got
Or Husqvarna. We are not partial.
Yeah. This saw hates me, and I don't want to get James.
Does not want you to start it. Come on, baby. That's the only way Ah, motherhood. Okay, so that was a true mom moment right there. She's trying to start it, and she's nursing her babies. Her boobies are kind of big and full of milk, and so they were kind of getting out of control. So she's going to go grab her hubby to start it. So that's what's up. To start your chainsaw. Alright, so here's where we're at with the bear. Alright, so Amanda, plug your business here. What's the name of it? Where can people find it?
Chainsaw Chic Carving. I'm on Facebook and on Instagram. Facebook, it has, well, both of them have a whole lot of bears that I've done in the past. I do custom orders. I've gone from, slippers on bears to coffee cups. I've done posts for buildings that are bears. You name it, I've started doing it. So,
or you'll at least give it a whirl, right?
Yeah, I'll give it a whirl. So you can always contact me through Facebook or my number.
And so, special giveaway, this bear, when it is done, you can win it. So you gotta like and share, and we will have one of our children draw a random name. Figure that's the most fair way, and you can win it. So stay tuned.